Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about whether anyone who invested 10,000 INR in MRF Limited in IPO turns into approximately 22 crores today. MRF was founded in 1946 by K.M. Marman Mapillai, started MRF journey as the toy balloon manufacturing unit. MRF is the largest tire manufacturer with a market share about 29%. MRF Tires is an Indian multinational and India's largest tire market, headquartered in Chennai, India. MRF is manufacturing tires for passenger cars, two-wheelers, farm trucks, OTR, etc. MRF Limited IPO was issued in 1961. The initial investment of 10,000, you will get 1,000 shares, the 10 rupees per share, and the face value was 10 that time. In 1970, MRF given 3:10 bonus ratio. So you will get total shares, you will get 1,300 and the face value remains 10. In 1975, MRF given 1:2 bonus ratio. For every 2 shares, you will get 1 share. So total number of shares you will get 1,950 and then face value remains 10. The total number of shares you hold is 1,950. The current market price is 1,12,099 INR. The total net value of your investment is 21 crores 85,93,050 INR. MRF dividend, 1,950 shares into 200. That was the dividend that MRF Limited was given in the last year. So net dividend is 3,90,000 INR. Next year dividend will be increased. Can I get the return like this? If you invest today in MRF shares, you will not get return like this. MRF Limited grew as the large cap company, but you have to find the future of MRF stock like this. In the last year, MRF share given the return of minus 20.5%. In the previous 5 years, the MRF Limited given return of 59.21%. The average return for the last 5 years is 11.8%. Keynotes. Earlier, the few companies have given return like this. Infosys, Reliance and Titan were the few multi-baggers. If you want the same kind of return, do some research and invest into 20 to 25 stocks. Invest in the early stage and hold it for next 20 years. If any fundamental issue with that stock, sell immediately and hold other stocks that will give you more possibility to get the return like this. That's it about the video, friend. Press the like button, subscribe to my channel and follow me for more financial videos.